Wow, grabe. SB19, dumadami na ang mga endorsement. Yan po yung ating bibigyan ng komento, reaction, opinion sa araw na ito. At ang video na yan ay galing po sa channel ni Showbiznap. Nasa description po yung link ng kanyang channel. Bisitahin lang po. At syempre, wag nyo rin pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe dito sa ating channel at i-hit ang notification bell para laging ma-update ka sa mga bagong video. Isang like and subscribe lang po mga tagapanood. Napakalaking bagay po niyan dito sa ating channel. Kaya naman wag na nating patagalin to. Simulan na po natin ang ating reaction video sa araw na to mga tagapanood. Let's do this!
Samantala, ibinahagi naman ng SB19 ang syempre kanilang ini-endorso na Redmi Note 14 series na talaga namang sobrang sulit kapag ito ay binili. Dahil una, water resistant, check. Drop resistant, check. Scratch resistant, check. All that and more in just one single phone, the Redmi Note 14 series can keep up with our everyday life just like that. Wow! Napakatibay naman pala, kaya naman go, go, go! Bili na ng Redmi 14 Note series. So mismo, pinatunayan na yan ng SB19, panuorin sa kanilang Instagram. Update naman po tayo sa kanilang mga endorsement mula sa Social Pop Trends post. SB19 endorsements and sponsorship. SB19 is a Filipino boy band singer under Sony Music Entertainment, collaborating with numerous brands across various industries. Below is a chronological list of the endorsement and sponsorship. 2019, Netflix Philippines featured in the Catch-Up campaign performing Go Up with lyrics inspired by various Netflix exclusive shows. Moodbeat May endorsed the Aloe Soothing Mask Sheet for this Korean skincare company. So Netflix pala ang unang nagtiwala sa SB19 dahil 2019. Anyway, 2020 naman, Samsung Philippines promoted the Samsung Galaxy A31 through the Osang Group TikTok Challenge. Pepsi Philippines participated in the Sundin ang Puso campaign performing a remix and launching Pepsi 77 Dance TikTok Challenge. TM featured in Fansagad advertisement of Fansagad, Mondenisin endorsed Lucky Me Noodles, especially the Sarang Anghang, Jampong, and Hot Cheese Ramyun Cup Noodles. Anyway, after ng 2021, nagtiwala ang Lazada Philippines, appointed as brand ambassador for the NASA Lazada Young campaign. Dunkin' Donuts Philippines performed the reviewed 1998 Pasalubong ng Bayan jingle in a music video and released a 2-episode MV titled The One. Yopoki endorsed this Korean street food brand specializing in tteokbokki. Monbest Natural Mineral Water promoted this Korean bottled water brand. KFC Philippines featured in promotions for KFC Original Recipe Chicken Chops. Acer Philippines served as brand ambassadors. GCash participated in the G pa rin ang Pasko Life is G campaign. 2022, Mondenisin continued endorsement with Lucky Me Jampong highlight the Saranghang Sarap flavor. Pepsi promoted Pepsi Blue for the Pambansang Blue Day campaign. Pizza Hut collaborated on the Make It Great campaign, introducing new food, offering an original song and a special commercial. Ideal Vision became endorsers of this optical retail brand. And 2023, nananatili pa rin ang Acer sa kanila until ngayong 2025. Unilever Philippines featured in the Mapa Selecta Muna campaign. Avignon Clinic appointed as brand ambassador for this aesthetic clinic. Acer Philippines collaborated with Sarah Geronimo on the song Ace Your World as part of Acer's 20th anniversary. Smart Araneta Coliseum partnered for their Pagtatag World Tour promotions and events. Araneta City, the city of first, collaborated on various events and promotions. And of course, ngayong 2025, ano nga ba ang nadagdag sa kanilang list? Bioderm engaged in an endorsement partnership. SB19's global appeal and authentic connection with fans make them the go-to choice for top brands. From tech innovators like Xiaomi and Acer to food favorites like Pepsi and Pizza Hut, SB19's creativity and influence have driven successful partnerships. Their standout campaigns like Pepsi and McDonald's showcase their ability to set trends and engage audiences. SB19 isn't just about music. Their trusted name in branding with collaborations that continue to make waves.
Grabe, tiba-tiba yung SB19 sa dami ng endorsement nila, no? Paldong-paldo po yan, mga tagapanood. Pero syempre, mas papaldo po dyan yung mga kumpanyang nagtiwala sa SB19. Biruin nyo, nakita nyo naman kung gaano sila kasikat ngayon at kung gaano rin tinangkilik lahat ng mga ini-endorse ng SB19. Diba, sa dami po ng mga tagahanga ng SB19, kaya naman yung mga ini-endorse nilang mga produkto, syempre, ang dami pong bibili niyan at tatangkilik. Syempre, ano po yan dahil ginamit ng idolo mo, ayan po yung produkto na kinakainan, ginagamit o ano man yung nasa SB19, syempre gagayahin po yan. At yan din po yung bibilihin ng mga solid supporters po ng SB19. Kaya po hindi sila lugi dyan at sobrang tiba-tiba po yung mga nagtitiwalang mga kumpanya na yan sa SB19 dahil binalikan po nila ng malaking kita. Panigurado yung mga ini-endorse po nila. Napakahusay po talaga ng SB19. Sana po talaga, yun lang po talaga ang dasal ko mga tagapanood, na sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung success ng SB19. Diba? Marami pa po silang gawin ng mga music at siyempre mas marami pa po sana ang magtiwalang kumpanya sa kanila na magpa-endorse ng kanilang mga produkto dito sa SB19. Win-win solution po yun, mga tagapanood. Kikita yung negosyo nila at syempre kikita din yung SB19 sa pamamagitan ng pag-i-endorse doon sa mga product po nila. So yun lang po mga tagapanood, ito ay comment at opinion lamang, wala pong personalan. Paalam po at mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood.